Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, if you are not following me on Telegram, make sure you follow me on Telegram. I'll be putting out tons of information that is going to be helpful in forex trading. A lot of information is what I'll be putting out on my Telegram. The Telegram to my channel Telegram will be in the comment section. So just check the comment section. You'll see the link to my Telegram. Follow me on Telegram. You get a lot of updates. Now on this GBPUSD, basically we are going to be expecting a lot of volatility on this GBPUSD, right? First, we'll be expecting news on PPI, right? Then we'll also be expecting news on this bank rates. So basically, these two news, right, which will make this GBP USD very, very, very volatile. I personally, I'll stay away from this trade. I'll rather trade another USD PS than to trade GBP USD, whereby we'll be expecting one news on GBP, we'll also be expecting one news on USD. There's kind of a lot of volatility will be playing out, a whole lot of liquidity will be playing out. So I'll actually stay away from this trade. But with what I'm seeing, I feel that GBP USD will actually drop. So I'm still speculating a downward movement, by the way. So this movement, I'm speculating the movement to a level of 1.25826. So this is the level I am watching out for on GBP USD. So this is what I'm watching out for, a level of 1.25826. By that time, we should sit tap our 50 period simple moving average. If eventually GBP USD break below the level, then the next level we would be watching out for is a level of 1.25487. So first level would be 1.25826. If eventually break this level, then the next level would be a level of 1.25487. By the way, a whole lot of volatility will be playing out on GBP USD, so be very, very careful when taking this trade for today.